Good morning, camera. Let's get some good content today, crew. Talking to yourself. Action. I fix my hair first, G. Clean, really crisp. I love the separation that we get on this block. Trying to retry that last little bit. That's about a 31.9, dickhead. That was fucking perfect. Cool. Tay's been listening to all the podcasts and she's like, sometimes you and Ben just start doing weird accents and voices and shit. I'm like, I can't even remember, eh? Yeah. Now with the Fed.
How I'm getting bitten by so many ants.
Oh no! Oh fuck.
You know how the Kardashians are documenting? We're like YouTubing. So.
This is the client project's bid for Tolga and Paris.
Take 4.
Take 15.
$116 billion.
$billion.
Simon, what's the line again?
One step closer.
For about $433,000. We've just stumped up the second part of this. Oh, okay, cool. I gotta smash it this time.
Hooga!
Oh, we're having a good old time in this one. Like we filmed this first. Jesus.
Oh, no way.
Everything. Alright. Third time lucky. Again.
Sweaty. So sweaty.